Give it a little more juice?
It's all the way up.
Oh, foo. Oh, you may have to back it up then. So we still have some track issues because I am using two different types of track from two different eras, one from the 50s and one from I think the 60s. And there are some issues. They don't just necessarily, oh my. So what are your thoughts now that it's running? Future train woman of America.
It's still a big trackpad, man.
You mean the platform?
Yes.
Admittedly. You should see all the piecework I had to do to make it work. Oh my God. This would definitely not be up to code. But you know what? It'll bring smiles. Let's go check that out. La 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 la. Oopsie. That could be an issue. Wait a minute. Pull it back. Okay. Yeah. He's having what?
It's going in part up here.
Yeah, because I haven't nailed down yet. Oops.
Your wheels are off.
Yeah, I see that because this is off. Wait a minute. I'm going to have to figure out the track issue because these tracks do not... Okay. Try it again. Ooh. It's all fuzzy. Ooh. I think I saw a flash. Well, a lot of it works. Try now. Come. Well, so we got some soft spots.
Lots of flashing there.
Oh, because it's up.